So today in this video we are going to see all about the subquery, what is meant by the subquery, is it important, and everything we are going to cover all about the subquery. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so basically if we talk about the subquery, so there are the multiple names for the subquery as inner query as well as the nested query also. Okay, so basically if we talk about what is meant by the subquery, so this statement will be like a subquery allows us to create complex query on the output of other query. Subquery syntax involves two select statement. Okay, so basically the subquery will be like we have entered a query and just we got an output and we are inserting another query in that for getting an output. Okay, in the subquery there are multiple selections, okay, multiple filterizations. Let's see with the simple example. Okay, so you want to know that which student has got the highest mark. Okay, like example, here is a table in which there is a name column as well as there is the marks column. Okay, so basically in that table I want to know that what is the highest marks. Okay, so this will be my step 1. Okay, so this will become my subquery. Okay, then the step 2 will be like then you find which student got those marks. Okay, so recently we have shown about the marks. Okay, so like consider as 28 will be the highest mark in the column, marks column, and I want to know that what type of the person or what the name of the person is that who got the highest marks. Okay, so this will become the main query. Okay, so just look with this simple example. Okay, so here is an syntax, here you can find out that about this subquery. Okay, so select name from the student table, okay, where marks which is equal to maximum marks from student table. Okay, this is the simple how this subquery looks like this. Okay, so we will go through the hands-on experience. Okay, so just this is an example. Okay, so just this is an table which is present in the SQL. Okay, so here our table looks like this, and just this is an subquery which one I am going to run. Okay, so this is an subquery, and just I want to perform some task on the table like select student name from student table where course ID which is equal to minimum, and from student table where course ID which is not equal to null, means which is not equal to 0, and just select it and run it, and here you can see that there is a single person whose name is Vaibhav who is eligible for this all the types of the query, or who is the right person of this query. Okay, so this was all about the subquery, and just this is like this select syntax, and just I hope you got this about the subquery. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.